Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use two PS4 controllers at once. First, power on your PlayStation 4 console. Ensure your primary controller is connected and logged into a user profile. Next, grab your second controller and press its central PlayStation button. The console will then prompt you to select a user. You can choose an existing profile or quickly create a new guest account for a friend. It's a straightforward process. Once both controllers are connected, it is crucial to assign each one to a distinct user profile. This ensures the console recognizes separate inputs for each player. Guest accounts are an excellent option for friends who are visiting, as they do not require a permanent login. Remember, not all games support local multiplayer, so always check the game's description or in-game settings for two-player compatibility before you begin playing. To effectively prevent hair loss, focus on a holistic approach. Ensure your diet is rich in lean proteins, healthy fats, and essential vitamins such as B-complex, C, and D, along with minerals like iron and zinc. Adopt a gentle hair care routine, avoiding excessive heat styling and harsh chemical processes that can damage strands. Actively manage stress through practices like mindfulness or regular exercise. For some, over-the-counter topical treatments containing 5% minoxidil, applied twice daily, or prescription oral medications may be beneficial. To truly maximize your two-player experience, explore the vast library of games offering local multiplayer modes. Investing in a dedicated charging station can keep your controllers ready for action, eliminating downtime. Regularly updating your controller's firmware through the console can also enhance performance and fix minor bugs. Ultimately, using two controllers opens up a world of shared gaming experiences, perfect for enjoying with friends and family, right from your couch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.